Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 33rd tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we'll be talking about the redo statement in Perl. So before I talk to you about what the redo statement is used for, I want you to take a look at the code that I have written in this script redo.pl, and on line number 3 I have created a scalar variable a that has the value 10, and then I have a while loop on line number 5 with the test condition a less than 20. So ideally this loop should have how many iterations? 10 iterations, because we are incrementing the value of a by 1 in each iteration. I have an update statement on line number 8, and before this I have a print statement on line number 7, which is first going to display the text the value of a is, and then it's going to display the current value of a. And you could just ignore the if block that I have on line number 9. The statement has a test condition a equals 20, but I don't have any executable code inside this if block because I have a redo statement, but I've commented it out. So essentially this if statement amounts to nothing for the time being, and you could just assume that this while loop has only two executable statements. So I'll make sure this file is saved, and I'll show you the output of this script um, before talking about the redo statement. So we see value of a is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. We don't see the value 20 because the test condition here in the while loop is while a is less than 20 and not while a is less than or equal to 20. Now let's say you want to have another iteration for the while loop for the value 20, even though the test condition here states otherwise. You could do that using the redo statement, and all I'll do with this script is remove the hash characters to uncomment this redo statement. And now let's say the value of a is 19. We are going to print the value of a is 19. Then we are going to change the value of a to 20, and earlier that would have been the last statement that this script would have executed, because as soon as a would have gone to 20, this test condition would have failed and the loop wouldn't have had any more iterations. But now we're going to get to this if statement where we'll check a is a 20, and this would have evaluated to true. We would have gotten inside the if block, and this redo statement would have executed, and the redo statement basically forces another iteration of the loop, irrespective of whether the test condition is true or false. So this is not like do while. Don't confuse redo with do while. This is still the regular while loop. It's just that we are forcing an iteration using redo, right? So when this would work, the test condition will not be evaluated. We would get to the print statement straight away, and we would print the value of a is 20, and then we would update a, and then everything would work normally. We would not have any more iterations because a would then become 21. This if statement will not evaluate to true, and this would obviously fail and everything's going to be over. So I'll make sure the file is saved. I'll press F5 to run, and now we see an additional line of output. We see that the value of a is 20 is also displayed, and this could be attributed solely to the redo statement that we have here in the script on line number 11. So I hope this is clear, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have any doubts regarding the redo statement, if I haven't done a good job of explaining it, then you could obviously write comments on the video, and I would try to reply as soon as possible and elaborate in other ways if I can.